Drawing polygons in Scratch. Polygons are 2D shapes with 3 or more straight lines and angles. Examples of polygons are triangle, square, rectangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, octagon, etc. Equilateral triangle, 3 sides, square, 4 sides, pentagon, 5 sides, hexagon, 6 sides, heptagon, 7 sides, octagon, 8 sides, nonagon, 9 sides, decagon, 10 sides. To draw polygons in Scratch, you must remember a few thumb rules. They are: you must know the number of sides in the shape. This is the value to be given in repeat block. For example, you give repeat 3 to draw a triangle and 4 to draw a square. Each time a repeat command is used, you draw a line and turn at a corner. You must know the degree of the angle at the corner.
For the shape to be drawn,
it is very easy to calculate this. Just divide 360 by the number of sides in the shape. For example, to draw a triangle,
the degree of angle will be
360 divided by 3 sides of the triangle is equal to 120.
Look at the table given below to make polygons using repeat command.
Polygon command. Triangle. Repeat 3, move 100 steps, turn 120 degrees. Square. Repeat 4, move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees. Pentagon. Repeat 5, move 100 steps, turn 72 degrees. Hexagon. Repeat 6, move 100 steps, turn 60 degrees. Heptagon. Repeat 7, move 100 steps, turn 51 degrees. Octagon. Repeat 8, move 100 steps, turn 45 degrees. Nonagon. Repeat 9, move 100 steps, turn 40 degrees. Decagon. Repeat 10, move 100 steps, turn 36 degrees. Drawing a square in Scratch.
To draw a square in Scratch, arrange the blocks as shown below.